Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Easy Craft Videos. I provide you the simple ideas about the garden backyard designs, beautiful garden decorations designs in a simple way, how to recreate and how to transform your house. Because garden decoration in front elevation is very important. If we discuss about the garden backyard is a peaceful and beautiful place. It is a small piece of nature right behind your home. You can grow a beautiful flowers, fruits, vegetables, green plants and there. These bring color, fresh air and life to your home. Birds and butterflies visit your garden. You feel very happy, you feel very joy and the sound is quite peace. A garden also give you a place to relax. You can sit and read and have a tea in fresh air with your family. Gardening is not just a fun, it's a healthy hobby. It helps you stay active and give you time in the sun. Watching plants grow can make you feel happy and joy. Even a small backyard can become a lovely garden with care and love. It turns into a special spot where the beauty space grow every there. In short, if we discuss about the beautiful garden backyard ideas and front elevation ideas, it's not just a part of your home, it's a gift of nature that makes life more beautiful. I hope you enjoy my videos and I hope you love the designs of backyard ideas, landscaping ideas for beautiful designs. A garden backyard is a wonderful place. It is a quiet green, full of life. Many people love spending time there because it brings a peace and happiness. You don't need a big space to enjoy and garden. Even a small backyard can be a full of beauty, and landscaping housing is so beautiful like and you feel very joy and like roses, sunflower, tulips. These flowers makes the garden bright and cheerful. Green plants and trees give you full of shades of fresh flowers. You can also grow vegetables like tomatoes, carrots, and other things. Use a paper artwork also. These helps you eat healthy and save your money too. Thank you so much guys to watch my videos and to like my channel. A garden is also a home for many small creativity. Birds sing the sweet songs, butterflies fly around the flowers, and beautiful sitting places. Watching the animals is fun and relaxing. Spend time in your backyard garden is good for your body and mind. Gardening is not is a good exercise, guys. It's my opinion because it helps you to stay active. It also helps you feel calm and happy. Touching the caring plants and makes you feel very close to the nature. You can also use a garden to spend time with family and friends. You can sit on the chair, have a cup of tea, even a joy of small picnic in the evening. The sounds of leaves makes it perfect relax. So if we conclude that the garden backyard is a special place and it brings the nature close to you, it needs a beauty, joy, peace to love and life. So thank you so much guys to appreciating my YouTube videos that upload on my channel. The creativity, the nature, the garden, and I like this type of videos that attracts the nature and the beautiful ideas that you feel very happy, joy. Plants make you feel very close to the nature, I think, and you feel also, and I hope you enjoy the nature. So keep watching my YouTube videos on daily basis. Share my channel with your close relative and friends who are interested in garden decoration ideas. Take care and bye bye. Watch the video till the end, guys. Take care.